Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper of 15 by 7 centimeter square. Fold it into two halves and open, and then fold it from the other side. Again, now fold to the crease. Now turn it back. Again to the crease. It's quite easy till now. Hope you are learning it well. You may stop the video to catch up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also share it with your friends. Fold into tiny triangle. Open inwards. And ta-da, done. If you have pressed your creases well, it would be very easy for you. From the all four sides, the same steps. Okay, you have to make 3 pieces like this, okay? Join them together as shown. With a thread. Tie it and cut the remaining, okay? Now you have to glue the petals to make it look beautiful. Here we go. It's done. Just a little bit detailings. Attach a bead to it and it will look highly elegant. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.